The job market is also a critical part of the economy, needless to say. And as we reported Friday, hiring has accelerated, but wage growth stalled out. And now many Americans want to know why. Steve Liesman went in search of answers.
It's been an enduring economic mystery. Job growth is booming, but wage growth is lame. When labor is scarce, employers usually have to pay up to keep their workers and attract new ones. But wages are only rising a little more than 2% on a yearly basis, well below the 3.5% to 4% you could expect with such a tight labor market. Yet a look at who is making the most gains in the job market could solve the mystery. The unemployment rate for all Americans without a high school degree has fallen sharply. There's also been a big drop for those with just high school degrees. Add to that a sharp decline in teen unemployment to an almost 17-year low, and it's clear that those with less skills and education are a big part of the new hires. And education matters a lot for wages. Less educated and younger workers, they make less than the overall workforce.
What we're seeing is that the vast majority of the modest wage growth that we are seeing is very segmented in the economy, meaning these are particular areas that are looking for specific skills, so skills that are in high demand and very low supply. So we're talking about engineering skills, accounting skills, IT skills. And in this case, employers are willing to bid up wages in order to entice employees.
In addition, the unemployment rate for African Americans and Hispanics also have both dropped in the past 6 months. These two groups typically have lower education levels than whites, but also earn less than whites regardless of their education level, according to several studies. That could also be keeping a lid on wage growth. But the situation may not last long. Bigger wage increases for Americans could be around the corner.
The weight of evidence is that wages are starting to accelerate. Average hourly earnings doesn't capture everything. And I would say even average hourly earnings will show more signs of acceleration.
So mystery solved, at least partially, to the extent that lower skilled, less educated, and minority workers are the new hires in today's tight market. That would tend to drive down overall wages, even while job growth is strong. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Liesman.